You will fail. You will lose. You will fall. But failure is not the end. It is the beginning of learning who you are, what you're made of, and what you are capable of becoming. In my early journey, I failed more times than I can count. I faced rejection, disappointment, silence, but I didn't quit. I didn't fall back. I kept moving forward, and one day I performed in the very same theater where I once failed my first audition. Life has a way of bringing things full circle. For those who refuse to give up, every single one of you has the talent to succeed. But talent alone is not enough. The real question is, do you have the courage to fail? Because if you don't fail, you're not even trying. To achieve something you never had, you must do something you have never done. Now imagine this. You're on your deathbed, and around you stand the ghosts of your unfulfilled potential. The dreams you never pursued, the gifts you never used, the ideas you never acted upon. They look at you and say, "We came to you because you could have brought us to life. But now, we must die with you." So I ask you, how many ghosts will stand around your bed when your time comes? This world needs your light, your kindness, your strength, your voice. Don't wait for perfect conditions. There are none. Get up, go out, give everything you have. Whether it's your time, your effort, your faith, or your love, the world needs what you have been blessed with.